I have 2 4-year-old avocado trees in a pot that I grew from pits. They're getting too tall to bring in the house. How can I help them survive the winter outside? If I put them in the ground, will they survive? And this is Margie from Germantown, Tennessee. So, will the avocados survive here in Tennessee?
Not well.
Not well.
Not well.
Not well.
You might consider building a greenhouse around them, and you might put them in the ground, and they may survive a few years, especially if we have very mild winters.
They may.
But I can tell you, commercially, where avocados are produced, 90% of the avocados in this country that we have are produced in California. Southern California, extreme Southern California. There's 5 counties down there that grow them, and there's extreme Southern California, very, very close to the Mexican border. And there are probably the other 10% are grown in South Florida, extreme South Florida. I mean, I'm talking down around Miami, so they're not going to do well, and they don't like temperatures, below 40 degrees, 50 degrees. They don't like temperatures below 60 degrees, I don't think. They like, they grow in Mexico.
Right.
They do well in Mexico.
Goodness.
But
yeah, it's going to be pretty tough, in Germantown, right? Mild winters, maybe if you can pull up enough of that soil and pile it around the trunks and maybe wrap it, drape it with a, sheet or blanket or something like that, maybe?
I'd say you need to congratulate yourself that you have gotten 4 years out of those avocado trees, and you've said, I can grow them here. Right. So you've done it. You've done it. But they were in the house in a pot, I think.
We hope you loved the video. We would love for you to ask more questions. Be sure to leave those questions in your comments.